quality.
Hi, my name is Blair Cockfield. I'm a volunteer here at the Ontario Regiment Museum, and this is an update on the M113 ACAV project we have. So I've been doing a lot of work on it in the past few months. I've got all the lights hooked up, fixed. They're yellow because they're all made of aluminum. That is a special primer. So we have all the lights primed. We have the bash bars primed. We have the bow plane handle primed. We have the bow plane mounts primed. There's a lot of primer all over the vehicle where we'd had to feather down where the paint's all chipped. We have the other side lights. The blackouts are on the inside of each side, and the regular headlights are on the outside. We have to do track adjustments still, and in the engine bay we have to do some linkages at the front here. But for the most part, the front is completely finished, and I'll go show you the inside. Here we are on the inside of the ACAV project. So it's pretty barren on the inside right now. I've had help from our lovely co-op students to remove all the seats because some of them were secured improperly. They were making a lot of noise. They were moving around a little too much for my liking. The center pillar where the commander's seat and an extra seat that folds down here is now gone. The little stand that attaches to that commander seat mount is also gone, to allow for more workspace, because in the past week I've discovered we have a transfer case leak. Now the transfer case is right here and the plug is all the way down under the bottom here. So I wanted to get all this stuff out of the way. It needs to be primed and sandblasted anyway, and now I have space to work on that leak. So not much going on the inside, but we've taken everything out and there's a lot going on the outside. If you like this video and would like to see more, you can visit us at tankmuseum.ca and also see our other videos on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.